Welcome to Otisam Mathematics. In this video, I'm looking at types of sequence. So the first type of sequence that I'm considering is arithmetic progression, and which is the same as linear sequence. So this is based on linear number pattern. So let's look at how the pattern looks like. Okay. Linear sequence is a sequence in which any term differs from the preceding term by a constant called common difference. So I have this sequence here. Move from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4 to 3 to 4, 4 to 5. And when you observe the sequence, realize that there is a constant difference of 1. And this constant difference is what is called common difference. So let's look at the general pattern. Assuming that U1 represents first term, U2 represents the second term, and so on and so forth. So the sequence is such that when you take the difference between any two consecutive terms, you are going to have a constant term, which is called a common difference. So assuming that the first term is A, and then the common difference is D, then to get the second term, you add a common difference to the first term, and then to get the next term, that will be the second term plus another common difference, so that you have A plus 2D. Now A plus 2D is the same as 3 minus 1D, right? And then the fourth term, as A plus 2D plus D. That is why we have A plus 3D, right? So if you continue like this, then the general pattern of arithmetic progression will be, you have the first term, n minus 1, D, where n is the number of terms, D is the common difference, and then A is the first term. Let's take some examples. Find the 12th term of the sequence this. The first term of the sequence is 10. And let's see the common difference. The common difference is always the current term minus the previous one. So 8 minus 10 is minus 2. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. So the common difference is minus 2. You then use the n term. The n term is A plus n minus 1D. We are looking at the 12th term. So 12th term will be 10 plus 12 minus 1 times the common difference. And this is 10 plus 11 times minus 2. So we have 10, 11 times minus 2 is minus 22. And this is giving us minus 12. You can also do it straightforward by the 12th term is simply A plus 11D. Yes, you can also use this one. Okay, let's continue. There's another question here. We have 50 plus 47 plus 44 plus up to 14. Now this is a series. When do you have a series? When the terms of a sequence are combined by addition sign or minus sign. So this is a series, and it's also the sequence. So we have to find the number of terms. The first term is 50, and the common difference, 47 minus 50 is minus 3, 44 minus 47 is minus 3. So the common difference is minus 3. This time we don't know the number of the terms, but we know the last term, which happens to be the n term. So the last term is giving us A plus n minus 1D. So this implies that 14 is equal to 50 plus n minus 1 times minus 3. So we have 14 equal to 50 minus 3n plus 3. So we have 14 is equal to 53 minus 3n. We can bring this one to this side. So 3n is equal to 53 minus 14. So 53 minus 14 is equal to 39. Then we divide both sides by 3. And then we are getting n to be 13. So the 13th term will give us that 14. Okay. So let's look at the last one. The second term of an AP is 15. And the fifth is 21. We have to find the first term and the common difference. So this particular one, we are supposed to know the pattern. So let's maybe the first term go to A, and then the common difference go to D. the second term. So second term is equal to, yes, a plus d, or you can use the n term, which is a plus n minus 1d. That is the formula, and n is 2, so 2 minus 1 is 1. That's why we have a plus d. And then fifth term will be a plus 4d. Yes, by using this formula you get that. And from the question, the second term is equal to 15, and then the fifth term is equal to 21. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So we are going to solve the two equations. That is a plus d is equal to 15, then a plus 4d, which is equal to 21. So equation 2, using elimination method, minus equation 1, this will go to 0. We have 3d, 4d minus d, and then 21 minus 16 is 6. So when we divide both sides by 3, we are getting d to be 2. Now if d is 2, we put it in any of this equation to find a. So a plus 2 is equal to 15. Then we subtract 2 from each side. So a plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 15 minus 2, so that we get rid of the 2 here. So a will be equal to 15 minus 2 is 13. So the first term is 13, and then the common difference is 2. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching me for the first time and you like the video, kindly subscribe. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, you're alerted wherever you are. Don't forget to also like the video, give your comment.